ASVAB arithmetic math knowledge, formulas and wa. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one set of underscore 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 sides. Parallel. 5. Determine the length of a rectangle if the area is 125 square feet and the width is 5 feet. Traveling to a destination, two cars, car A and car B, are driving to the same destination. Car A is driving at 60 miles per hour, while car B is driving at 40 miles per hour. If car A reaches the destination in 4 hours, how long will it take car B to reach the same destination? How much longer does it take car B to arrive compared to car A? Hint: first, find out how much time it takes car B, then decide if subtraction is necessary to compare travel times. For car A, distance equals 60 miles per hour times 4 hours equals 240 miles. Car B will take 240 miles divided by 40 miles per hour equals 6 hours. Martin was given 10 math problems and has answered 7 of the questions. What percent of the problem does he has left? Formula: part percent equals whole 100 steps 1, cross multiply 2, divide 3, subtract. 10 is the whole, denominator, 7 is the part, numerator, cross multiply 7x, equals, 10 110x equals 700, equals, divide both sides, 10x cancels out 10x equals 70 100 to 70, 30% left. Factorial 6. 1x 2x 3x 4x 5x 6 equals 720, factorial 5. 1x 2x 3x 4x 5 equals 120. Distance equals rate x time. Nick and Kate can pedal around the lake 4 times as fast as Tim and Amy. If Nick and Kate go around the lake 52 times before stopping, how many more laps around the lake do Tim and Amy need to do before completing the same number? Tips * comparing progress. When you need to find how much more or less one group has completed compared to another, subtraction becomes necessary. * remaining distance / time. If one group finishes first or covers more ground, and you need to figure out how much the slower group still has to complete, subtraction helps find the difference. For divided by 52 equals 13 laps, 52 laps subtract by 13 laps equals 39. Keep practicing and recognizing these tips. A phone company charges $2 for the first 5 minutes of a phone call and 30 cents per minute thereafter. If Malik makes a phone call that lasts 25 minutes, what will be the total cost of the phone call? Malik's call lasts 25 minutes. After the first 5 minutes, there are 25 to 5 equals 20 minutes. The cost for these additional minutes is 30 cents per minute. So, the cost for the 20 additional minutes is 20 times 0.30 equals $6.00. Add the costs together. Cost for the first 5 minutes, $2 cost for the remaining 20 minutes, $6 total cost, 2.00 plus 6.00 equals $8.00. Calculating the percentage of a part, the tip, relative to a whole, the total bill. If Kayla left a $10.47 tip on a breakfast that cost $87.25, what percentage was the tip? Cross multiply 10.47x 100 equals 104,700. Divide 104,700 by 8750 equals 12%. 125 divided by 5. Factor the quadratic expression x caret 2, 6x plus 9. Hexagon. Seven-sided polygon. Factorial 4. One x 2x 3x 4 equals 24. Converting percentages to fractions * rules for converting percents to fractions. 1. Write the percent as a fraction. A percent is out of 100, so simply place the percentage number over 100. 2. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common divisor, GCD, of the numerator and denominator. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by the GCD to simplify the fraction. 75% equals 75 over 100 equals 75 divided by 25 and 100 divided by 25 equals 75% equals 75 over 100 equals 75 divided by 25 and 100 divided by 25 equals 3 over 4. Basic probability problem, asterisk. Make sure to read the full question. There are 5 blue marbles, 4 red marbles, and 3 yellow marbles in a box. If Jim randomly selects a marble from the box, what is the probability of selecting a red or yellow marble? Add all the marbles together. Add the numbers of the favorable outcome. Calculate the probability. The probability of selecting a red or yellow marble is the ratio of favorable outcomes 7 to the total number of outcomes 12. Hexagon. 8-sided polygon. 0.125. Use picture for an example. Asterisk hint, don't forget to 1. Move decimal 2. Multiply. Numerator, denominator stays the same. 3. Simplify. Simplify fraction and find, GCD, greatest common divisor. 4. Divide numerator and denominator by the GCD. Eliminate the decimal by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 1000, since there are 3 decimal places. 125x 1000 equals 125 over 1000. Now, simplify the fraction 125 over 100. Find the greatest common divisor, GCD, of 125 and 1000, which is 125. 125 divided by 125 equals 1. 1000 divided by 125 equals 8. 0.125 equals 1/8. A helpful way to remember how to set up long division is to think of the fraction as a division problem. The numerator, top number, goes inside the division symbol, the dividend. The denominator, bottom number, goes outside the division symbol, the divisor. 5-sided polygon. x3, x3. What a factorial. Octagon. Cube root of 125. Factorial 7. 1x 2x 3x 4x 5x 6x 7 equals 5040. The dimensions of this rectangular parallelepiped are height h equals 8, length L equals 4, and width W equals 6. What is the volume? Formula: volume equals length x width x height V equals 4x 6x 8 V equals 192. How to solve 7 equals 5. 7. 7x 6x 5x 4x 3x 2x 1 equals 5. Asterisk. Take 5 and mark out 1 to 5, which leaves 7x 6 equals 42. The formula for the area of a circle is which of the following? R(2). Pentagon. 6-sided polygon.